Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Wi-Fi एग्जाम पॉइंट्स। फ्रेंड्स, ये वीडियो पार्ट नंबर 6 है इंग्लिश पैडागोजी का। और फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में प्रीवियस ईयर 2014 लैंग्वेज 1 पेपर 2 के प्रश्नों को इस वीडियो में शामिल किया गया है। आप इन प्रश्नों को देखें और देख करके अपना उत्तर लगाएं कि आप इनमें से कितने प्रश्न सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, देर ना करते हुए वीडियो को करते हैं शुरू। आप भी कॉपी और पेन लेके बैठिए, आप भी अपना उत्तर लगाइए और फिर आंसर चेक कीजिए कि आपके कितने प्रश्न सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं इंग्लिश पैडागोजी के। तो चलिए दोस्तों, करते हैं वीडियो को शुरू। फ्रेंड्स, अगर चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल के आइकन को ऑल पे सेलेक्ट कर दें, जिससे कि हमारी आने वाली वीडियो की सभी नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिल सके। तो चलिए दोस्तों, देखिए इसका पहला प्रश्न। पहला प्रश्न कहता है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू फॉर लैंग्वेज लर्निंग? ऑप्शन ए, लैंग्वेज लर्निंग हैपन्स थ्रू रीडिंग ऑफ लैंग्वेज टेक्स्ट बुक्स ओनली। Option B, language learning accelerates in print-rich environment. Option C, language learning is not required for learning of science and mathematics. Option D, language learning happens unconsciously. Which option is correct for this question, friends? Okay, now check the answer of this question. Answer of this question is option B is correct. Option B is correct, friends. Option B. Second क्वेश्चन है, इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये हिंदी में ही पूछा जाता है। Crying, cooing and babbling are all the examples of dash stage of language development. A, linguistics, B, pre-linguistics, C, expressive, D, referential. Which option is correct for this question? Okay, now check the answer of this question. Option B is right of this question's answer. Option B, pre-linguistic. Now see the question number 3. Gravit was speaking in Hindi to his peers in his classroom. When is the teacher called him, he immediately replied in English. This is an example of option A, code mixing, option B, dialectic, option C, sociolinguistics, option D, code switching. Which option is correct for this questions? Okay, now check the answer of this question. Code switching. D answer ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, डी आंसर है इस वाले क्वेश्चंस का। डी ऑप्शन बिल्कुल सही है। नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू वाइगोत्स्की सोशियो कल्चरल थ्योरी? ऑप्शन ए, सोशल इंटरेक्शन, बी, स्कैफोल्डिंग, सी, जोन ऑफ प्रॉक्सिमल डेवलपमेंट, language acquisitions device. Which option is correct? Now see the firstly questions. Which of the following terms is not related Vygotsky social cultural theory? तो सोशल कल्चर थ्योरी किस रिलेटेड नहीं है वो टर्म पूछ रहा है। तो सोशल इंटरेक्शन, स्कैफोल्डिंग, जोन ऑफ प्रॉक्सिमल, ये भी है, ये भी है, ये भी है, ये नहीं है। तुम्हारा आंसर यहां पर डी ही बिल्कुल सही होगा फ्रेंड्स। डी, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. एवरी सिलेबस टॉक्स अबाउट लर्निंग आउटकम्स, विच मीन्स every syllabus. Option A, taking into account the content of the textbook. Option B, changing in the behavior of the learners. Option C, completion of all lessons. Option D, changing in teaching method of the teacher. Which option is correct for this question? Now see, check the answer. Option B is correct for this question, changing in the behavior of the learners. So our answer of this question, option B, is right. Question 6. Looking for a number in the contact list of your phone. Contact list of your phone is an example of A, scanning, survey, C, review, D, scamming. Which option is correct for this question friends? फ़ोन की स्कैनिंग में जब हम लिस्ट को करते हैं फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, लुकिंग के लिए, तो हम क्या करते हैं? स्कैनिंग करते हैं। तो हमारा आंसर यहाँ पर ऑप्शन ए में जो दिया है स्कैनिंग, वो राइट हो जाएगा, स्कैनिंग। ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन 7, defining new words within context instead of making the children learn meaning of new words. Now see the questions attentively. New words within the context instead of making the children learn meaning of new words. Option A, often confuse to children. Option B, helps in better understanding of the word. C, promotes rote memorization. Option D, leads to wastage of time. Which option is correct? Choose. Okay. Now check the answer of this question. Defining new words, the option B is correct for this questions. Helps in better understanding of the word. Option B is right for this question. Option B. Question 8. The type of writing in which the author mostly places in himself. The type of writing in which author mostly places himself in as a character. Sometimes he may not and narrates the story only. Story is known as. Option A, expository. Option B, persuasive. Option C, descriptive. Option D, narrative. Which option is correct for this question? The type of writing in which the author mostly places in is himself as a character. Now see the check the answer of this question. Option D is correct for this question, narrative. Option D, narrative. Now see next question. Question number 9. You want to ensure maximum participation of the students of your class. You want to ensure maximum participations of the students of your class. Which of the following methods would you adopt for this purpose? Option A, discussion. Option B, demonstration. Option C, model reading. Option D, recitation. Which option is correct? क्या करोगे आप अपनी कक्षा में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा भागीदारी करें स्टूडेंट्स, तो कौन सी आप इसमें से मेथड अपनाओगे? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन, डिस्कशन. Option A is correct for this question, discussion. Question number 10. Listeners, while listen to the specific details, recognize cognates and word order patterns. What is listening process known as? Bottom up process. B, top down process. C, inferential process या D linear process? Which option is correct? Now see, check the answer. Option A is correct, bottom up process. Option A, bottom up process. 11 number, which one of the following could be the while reading activity when doing a short story? Option A, learners discuss to predict the events in the story. Option B, learners do pair work and read mutually to one another. Option C, learners discuss biographical details of the poet. Option D, teachers ask meaning of new words and encourage them to frame sentences on them. Which option is correct? Answer of this question is right, friends. Option B. Option B is correct. Learners do pair work and read mutually to one another. B option is correct. B. Now see the next question. 12 number, in one class you don't ask any questions. Instead, you give them some short text and ask your learners to frame questions. The objective behind your task is to. Which option is correct? Option A, develop your learners as good paper setters. Option B, take their help in your own task of setting questions. Option C, make your learners realize how difficult it is to frame questions. Option D, enhance your learners' analytical and critical thinking. Which option is correct? Okay, now check the answer of this question. Option D is correct for this question. Enhance your learner analytical and critical thinking. Next question, 13 number, language assessment aims to measuring. Language assessment aims to measuring. Option A, how each learner achieved in comparison to his peers. Option B, their overall or summative achievements. Option C, the language achievement of learners. Option D, the language proficiency of learners. Language assessment aims to measuring. Which option is correct? Now see the check answer. Option D is correct for this question. Option D, language proficiency of learners. Option D is correct for this question. Next question, 14 number, the use of teaching aids. The use of teaching aids aims at. Option A, engaging learners in learning tasks. Option B, optimizing learning outcomes of the learners. C option, minimizing cases of indiscipline in the classroom. Option D, drawing learners' attention in the classroom. The use of teaching aids aim at. Which option is correct? Okay, now check the answer of this question. Option B is correct for this question. Option B, optimizing learning outcomes of the learners. Option B is correct for this question. Question number 15. One of your students takes a favorite book and retells the story, often by using picture as cues. This strongly suggests emerging reading stage. B, phonological awareness. C, syntactic awareness. Option D, narrative awareness. Which option is correct? Now see the check the answer of this question. Option A is right for this question. Option A. Emerging reading stage. Option A is right for this question. Friends, आपके इस 15 प्रश्नों में से 15 क्वेश्चंस में से आपने कितने अटेम्प्ट किए और कितने आपके सही हुए, आप कमेंट में बता सकते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो आप इसको शेयर भी कर सकते हैं और अपने दोस्तों को भी इसका लाभ दिला सकते हैं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। इसी प्रीवियस ईयर 2024 का जो आपकी सेकेंड लैंग्वेज में इंग्लिश के पेडागोजी क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, उनको मैं अगली वीडियो में कवर करूंगा, तो आप उसको देखना भी ना भूलें। तो चलिए दोस्तों, मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, जय हिंद, जय भारत। स्वस्थ रहें दोस्तों, मस्त रहें, तैयारी अच्छे से करते रहें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।